This is the Dime. It's a clever mini multi-tool you can attach to a keychain. It contains 10 tools. In addition to butterfly opening stainless steel spring-loaded needle nose pliers, wire cutters, a fine edge blade, spring-loaded scissors, flat driver, tweezers, lanyard ring, and a fine and coarse file. The Dime includes the retail package opener, a blade that safely cuts and scores plastic packaging. The Dime's bottle opener is exposed even when the tool is closed. Store this cool little multi-tool in a pocket, a purse, or keep it on a key ring. This is the Dime.
This is the GDC Money Clip. It holds your cash, up to 5 cards, and a 1.75-inch fine-edge stainless steel blade. At just 3.6 total inches, the Money Clip fits easily into your pocket. When you need the blade, just grab the ring, release the lock, and pull. The thumb notch ensures a solid hold that won't budge. After you're done, the blade snaps back into the super sturdy steel sheath shielded by a G10 composite plate. This is function, utility, and style in your pocket. This is the GDC Money Clip.
The 10514 mini cutter with sliced ceramic blade was designed as a general cutting tool. It features an auto-retractable rubberized slider, a lanyard hole, a built-in magnet, and durable ABS housing. The blade change of the sliced ceramic blade is easy with no tools required. This cutter features the Slice 10404 ceramic replacement blade, which is used in the majority of our products. All the sliced ceramic blades last up to 10 times longer than steel, they never rust, they're non-magnetic, non-sparking, and non-conductive. And unlike traditional metal blades, they have no oil coating. They're infinitely safer to hold and use versus metal, and they have a rounded tip for added safety. The 10514 is perfect for opening retail packaging, trimming fabric, paper, cardboard, plastic, endless uses for an incredibly versatile tool. Sliced ceramic replacement blades are finger-friendly. They require pressure to obtain the cut. Therefore, blade change is no longer a risky activity. To access the blade, simply rotate the locking mechanism to reveal the two halves. Flip or change the blade, replace the two halves, and rotate the locking mechanism to the lock position. By using sliced ceramic blades instead of traditional metal blades, you'll have fewer blade changes, less downtime, lower costs, and most importantly, a safer working environment. The 10514 mini cutter with sliced ceramic blade is used by more than half the Fortune 1000 to reduce injuries and lower costs. It's simply a better, safer, more effective way to do your general cutting. Send me an email and let me know how you're using it.
This is the Prybrid utility from Gerber. The Prybrid utility combines both of those into a compact form factor. Closed, open, and exchange. The G10 scale material is durable and provides enhanced grip on the job. Wire in the closed position. It also includes a lanyard hole for easy carry. Tools, including full-size utility blade, cord cutter, bottle opener, large flathead driver, wire stripper, nail puller, small flathead driver, and pry bar. It's available in OD green and tactical gray. The utility offers tremendous function in a compact factor. This is the Chonk from Gerber. Each Chonk is uniquely patterned, but they all feature helpful tools. Medium and small flathead drivers, a nail puller, and a wire stripper, plus there's a bottle opener for the end of the day. So wherever you find yourself, this EDC tool can follow.